You are welcome to Remit Forex Academy. In today's video, I'll be talking about a very detailed analysis on EURUSD and what you expect in the next week of trading as you resume on Monday on USDJPY and EURUAUD. All of this is what I'll be talking about in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos. On the 4-hour charts, EURUSD right here, we've seen the market move all the way from this very area on Monday, that is the start of the week of trading, and the market move up to this point, create a new high, and then come back down. So there was no significant move if you look at it, because if market move from this very area when we resume, then market come back down, move again to the upside, and move again to the downside. What you have to observe here is that there was a creation of a new low below the weekly low. Okay, so this was the weekly low first of all, and the market moved to the upside, and right now we've seen another new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. This is very important, guys, and we must not also forget that there is a very important strong support at this very point. So if you draw this out, a strong support right at this very area, and that is why we're seeing spike or rejection from this very point to the upside. So what I am expecting as we resume next week of trading on Monday is the market to retreat. So even though you see the market begin to move a little bit to the upside, so from this very point, market have capacity of moving a little bit, but that movement will not last long. Expect the market to move into this very area. So from this very zone, market is going to continue downward. But on the immediate short time on EURUSD, expect this market to move to the upside as we resume next week of trading on Monday. This is what you need to pay attention to. So market creates a new low, looking the previous low at this area, but right now at a very important support. Expect the market to move up before continuation to the downside, and I will be updating you as well on what to do after this movement to the upside. So as we resume next week of trading, expect the market to move to the upside on EURUSD and on USDJPY. If you look at it, market has been coming to the downside. What I'm expecting on this chart, since there was a breakout and the creation of a new close than what we see previously at this very level of support, what it means is that the market is going to continue downward. So expect this market to continue into this very area of 145.90 and this very zone right here of 145.35. So from this very area, I will be expecting the market to retrace to the upside before continuation. So as we resume next week of trading on USDJPY, expect a little drop to the downside before a retracement, then continuation back down again. Because if you look at this chart, we are already in a downtrend, and what you have to do is to trade in line with the trend. Okay, if you look at it, market to move from here, retrace, move, retrace, move, retrace, and then this move is still in play. If you look at it, each time the market moves, it was creating a new low, and that is what we want to see right here. And that is why I am saying that you should expect the market to continue this movement to the downside as we resume next week of trading. Expect the market to move down, and then market should begin to retrace the continuation until we see fail of creation of a new low. That is how we can begin to think about the market moving to the upside right now on USDJPY. Please watch this as we resume next week of trading. And on EURUAUD is very important. If you look at it, market has been moving down drastically from here to the downside, and it has created a new close at this very area and also a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. What it means is that as we resume next week of trading, expect the market to move a little bit to the downside, then good correction is required on this chart, because market has moved significantly downward market does not move parabolically forever. So if the market move parabolically like this to the downside, then it means that we should expect the market to retrace anytime soon. And where you should find that retracement is where the market is right now, this very area on the chart, and this very price level of 1.6217. So within this very area, expect the market to retrace upward into this very zone right here before continuation back down again. This is what you have to pay attention to on the Euro AUD chart. This is very important. Expect retracement before continuation to the downside. And on USDJPY, the same thing, market should come back down, create a new close and a new low before retracement and continuation back down. And on EURUSD, expect the market to move to the upside on the immediate short term. This is what you need to pay attention to right now and on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos. Thank you for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.